Have you ever wondered if you can trust AI? ChatGPT is a powerful tool. It generates human-like text. This capability brings exciting possibilities. But it also hides serious dangers. We need to explore these risks closely. Let's uncover what they are. First, we must understand AI's limitations. ChatGPT lacks true understanding. It does not think or feel. Instead, it patterns responses based on data. Next, let's discuss misinformation. ChatGPT can accidentally produce false information. This could lead users astray. Therefore, verifying facts is crucial. Another concern is bias. ChatGPT learns from existing data. If that data is biased, the AI reflects those biases. This can perpetuate harmful stereotypes. Now, consider privacy issues. When you chat with AI, where does your data go? User data could be stored and analyzed. This raises serious privacy concerns. We should also address dependency. Relying too much on AI can impact our thinking. We may stop thinking critically or creatively. Let's take a look at an example. Imagine a student using ChatGPT for homework. The student gets quick answers but learns nothing. The AI does the thinking, not the student. It's essential to maintain a balance. Use AI as a support but not a crutch. In summary, ChatGPT is a powerful tool. But it has hidden dangers too. Misinformation, bias, privacy concerns, and dependency are critical issues. Stay informed and question what you see. Recognize AI's limitations. Use AI wisely, and you can avoid these pitfalls. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going about AI safety.